Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I've come up to show you making of this beautiful gold work designing using the normal stitching needle. This was embellished with the golden beads. Here I'm gonna use 2 mm golden beads. This is how it looks. This is to create the flower shape. So firstly I'd stitch 3 in the center. This would be the sleeve opening line. This you can also try for the necklines, following the same instructions which I am showing here. And this is how, leaving a little gap in between, we have to give the beads joining. For that I'd be using cotton silk thread with 9 number hemming needle. Firstly 3 beads, next locate the centers with the joining of 2 beads, upside also underneath. This is how we have to join the beads. And for this designing I'd be using golden beads, Zardosi string which is of gold color, very small size, and leaf shape honey color kundans, that is also very small size. So firstly on the sleeve openings we have to stitch the beads like this. These materials is easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links as provided in the description box. If you want, you can check it. So for this beads flower we need to maintain the gap of 1 inch like this, and next to that the same way I'll join the beads again. Here I'd be elaborating step by step so that it will make your work easy to do, and even you can also try this on your old blouses to recreate into new designer blouse. Just remove the side stitches, fix the frame and follow these instructions. Now I'd be applying the glue lines crossly like this from this center line to stick the leaf shape kundans like this. Now I'll be placing the gold Zardosi string. This is to create the frame like all around these gold beads, and twisting the Zardosi string uniformly, placing the finger like this, we have to give the stitch so that the spring will not stretch and you'll get the nicer finishings. So little by little we need to give the twist like this and give an invisible stitches on it. These are traditional customized designs done with the gold work, which will really gives rich elegance look, and very simple and easy to do. The costing of this material also very less. With the less efforts also we can create this type of expensive designer patterns easily at home. Now the flower is being designed with this Zardosi string. Now I'll be joining the center line which is of 1 inch here. So I'll be joining the Zardosi string in the center, giving an invisible stitch on it. Also I'd be highlighting these kundans, embellishing with the Zardosi work. These kundans are readily available with the framed kundans. You can also try it. It may cost a little more, but it will make your work very easy to do. With the less time also we can try not putting much efforts. So this is how we have to highlight these leaf shaped kundans with the Zardosi string. Now underneath this design, the outlining has been done in this way, just to emphasize this design shape. So leaving a little space mark it like this, and on this I would be working with the normal chain stitch. For that I would be using gold zari thread, and on this marked shape we have to give the stitch like this. And once completed, the design would look like this. Really friends, though it looks simple, but the gold work which will really gives an elegant look. So you must try these type of patterns if you are really the fashion lovers, because these patterns are trending very much right now. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to those. Thank you so much for watching.